Cheerio.
Ni hao.
Xin chào.
Ahoy.
Vivi.
Tá mé an sásta go raibnig mo hiis mthir mí géal scoil an cuileann dom.
Tá go leor rudí speisialta faoi an scóil seo.
Tá sé éisce do cí a ligean sa scoil seo.
We are lucky to have you a young and energetic Moontori. Tana Moontori! Long as free! She will go home, start and celebrate.
Go, O'Reilly! Wahoo Mucha Katrina! Oh, Marshev! Go, Marshev!
Fair Heart, this is a brand new building and it is beautifully decorated.
At this school, we have all the resources we need at our fingertips.
There's a huge emphasis on technology in this school.
Is Rollin ag úsáid áisina technolia.
Agus bí nuir deisina agan sa scóil seo.
Cuirta béin mór na hálín.
Sécar na samplaí álín alín teir fud na háta.
Seo an leabharlinn, tána céite leabhar a fáil. Is prálam éilú an rang ó am go ham agus léirma a leibh.
We have a huge hall.
An seo é éanamid sport éagsúla léirú ar grámaí chuirma go ceol agus neart eile. I love the chant that takes place here every Friday.
Is an seo an átaíanamid cleachtar ar Kilcar Mornam Lína, Peace Bronze.
There is also a big emphasis on music.
Drama is my favorite subject and I love producing my own shows.
Lemmer mid jaman na nolig agus neart eile.
Bé mór leis scoil seo.
Agus mar eictretal an gasci agus dúsin na búta agan.
Déanam would go lower sports in school show.
Every child has the chance to excel on the sports field and in the classroom.
Bhíonn coach na CLG agus Lou Classics an scoil go minic.
The teachers want to hear our views and voices on the matters that affect the students. We have established a student council.
Ná bach le Fianna Fáil na Fianna Gael. Tá má bhóta go go corna nátaí in Glasgow and Quillen.
There are many events organised throughout the school year. Agus ogadí gusula an rot gloss, lana pajami, agus an shoebox appeal.
Away from the classroom, we are often brought on school tours.
Téimid i tuaisceile gach bliain agus tá deisina againn cuairte thart go áitina iontacha mar seo taobh fearr.
I absolutely love science.
When I'm on Tadna Ross Maternity Oliota Deadwood in our
Both Roman, Catholic and Church of Ireland, faiths are taught during time here in Glasgow and Quillen.
Ceann línta is mó do rangadú agus rang sé na céit mínach ag an ceanneartú.
Is even Gaelga and seo a Gael School and Quillen. Bhín seachtain omlan againn ag chalóir gachar Gaelach I mí Marta. Ní caiir tú Gaelga a leirta bhaile ach ceiríonn sé.
Tá rangin na Gaelga sa scóil se le haidín na fása comma.
Amen.